Hello everyone, I'm excited to announce that I've released a new mobile game on the Google Play Store called The Last Chicken on Earth. In this video, I'll be showing you some snippets of gameplay while I talk about the game. Keep in mind that this is the first version of the game that I've released, so there are more features to be added in future updates. So anyways, I've been working on this game for about a year, and I've been making this game using Unity Game Engine and C#. The game turned out better than I expected, but there's a lot more that I think I could improve on. Anyways, I'll talk about the game. The Last Chicken on Earth is an endless runner survival type game where your goal, as the last chicken on the entire planet, is to avoid dangerous traps and escape the laboratory. This includes saws, spiked walls, homing missiles, robot chickens, spiked mines, and more. You can collect eggs on the way, which come in handy in the shop where you can buy upgrades and different costumes for your chicken. These upgrades will help you reach the end, and the costumes are, for style. The portal upgrade I currently have spawns randomly and speeds up and skips part of the game. You can upgrade your portal with your eggs to increase the spawn speed and portal duration. Of course, this will be very useful in later parts of the game where it tends to become more difficult. If you manage to avoid all the traps, you will reach the end of the laboratory where you can finally escape. If you do reach the end, then you probably might wonder what you do after. Well, you'll see when you get there, but there's more stuff. Anyways, feel free to download and rate the game if you have an Android. I'll put the link to my game in the description below. Right now, it's not published to the Apple Play Store yet, but I'm working on it. By the way, this game is created by Fuelvin, which is still me, Warfame, but I just used a different name. So yeah, if you download the game, I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to tell me. Anyways, that's it for this video. See ya!